Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through QuickBooks Self-Employed so you can easily manage your business finances. So let's get started. First, you need to set up your company profile and let me quickly zoom in so you can follow along. Enter your business name, contact info, and tax details right here on your dashboard. All right, and to set up your company profile. And this will help QuickBooks calculate your taxes accurately and simplify your tax returns. So next, connect your bank account. Quickly, it's about this. Like then, like this allows you to automatically import your recent transactions, saving your account time. You can also upload transactions manually if needed. So you can just click here and add bank account and select transactions, and you can do this regularly. All right. So to add bank account, go to transactions, select the down arrow, add bank account, and link a bank account. You can, this is the automatic step. And another way is you can manually upload your bank transactions in CSV format. So if you have downloaded in PDF, make sure to convert them to CSV here. It's the link. And then you need to like review and categorize bank transactions. So follow this quick tutorial here to go to transactions and then select type all, and then you can unreview and select this one, and that's how you do it. Once your transaction is imported, all right. So next, there are some bank rules, so you need to set up. And just if you do regularly business to same customer suppliers, then there are some rules here. Check them out. You can create rules. Let me just zoom out a bit. This is very zoomed in. Add the descriptions and more. So you can also create and manage invoices. All right. This is very important as when you're managing a business. So simply select create invoice and enter the details and send it directly to your customers. You can even track overdue payments here. And this is the process to follow. So, and then another thing is QuickBooks makes it easy to track your business mileage. Just go to miles and tap and add a trip and choose that desired trip, and QuickBooks will calculate your deductions for tax time. And finally, when it's time for paying tax, when tax season comes, QuickBooks helps you prepare by providing all the necessary reports and guides to make filing your taxes easier. And this is just a quick overview of the how to start guide. You can go to this link here, and they have a good beginner's guide to QuickBooks Self-Employed. Follow this guide step by step, read it thoroughly, and you'll be able to use it all the features. And that's all there is to it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.